Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Tine Insert Clip in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a pair of new Tine Insert Clips. The Tine Insert Clip connects the adjustable tine roll to the dish rack, allowing it to fold and to unfold. If an adjustable tine roll doesn't stay in place, the Tine Insert Clips should be checked and replaced if needed. Open the door. Pull out the lower dish rack. Remove the silverware basket and place the dish rack on a workable place. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, push up the end of the Tine Insert Clip and release it from the dish rack wires. This is the pair of old Tine Insert Clips next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the one arch of the new insert clip on the dish rack crosswire and then other end on the adjustable tine roll and the basket wire. Push it down to lock in the position. Install the lower dish rack, put the silverware basket in and slide the lower dish rack in. Now we can close the door, plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.